Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to share iPhone internet connection with PC via USB cable. First of all, slide down the control panel and click to turn on mobile data and personal hotspot. After that, open up your PC. Once you get into your PC, connect your phone's USB cable with your PC. Now get back to the desktop and click on the Windows search bar. Then search and open Run App from here. After opening the app, pass the command to open the control panel. Once you get into your computer's control panel, click on Network and Sharing Center. After that, tap on Change Adapter Settings. Now make sure you turn off your internet connection. Then tap on the Ethernet tree option to use the network of your phone. And now you can use your phone's internet on your PC. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.